Is there converter, teacher? In
Assalamu alaikum. Everybody is fine, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum, Shabab.
wa alaikum assalam.
Every brother is fine,
Alaikum
mashallah.
assalam.
All the brothers are fine, Shabab.
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Shabab, everybody welcome. You know, you guys remember last week we were discussing on-off controller. Everybody remember, Shabab? At the end, we were discussing on-off controller. And before the on-off controller, we discuss direct action of the controller and reverse action of the controller. So there is a loop here. This is the loop. We have a heat exchanger. Cold liquid is coming in and a hot liquid is going out. This is a steam in, solenoid valve is there, and this is condensate out. Right, Shabab? On the hot process liquid out, we put the temperature indicator transmitter. It is sending PV value to the temperature indicator controller. This is on-off controller. And we have a set point here. And this is the output of the controller is M. Is this loop complete or we need something more?
Converter, I guess.
Yes, brother. No, a lot of brothers are saying no, it is not complete. Yeah, please. Very good. Brother Ali Awad, he's saying you did not mention the wall type. Wall type is not mentioned, Shabab. Very good, Brother Ali. You tell me your ID. What is your ID? Brother Ali Awad, please tell me your ID. Please send your ID. 450. Okay. Thank you. So without mentioning the type of the valve, it is not complete. So let us mention the type of the valve, normally open. So this valve is normally open, Shabab. So please tell me it is direct action or reverse action? With the logic. Yes, Shabab.
Direct.
Everybody tell me. What are you saying, brother? Direct? Okay, give me your logic. What is your logic? One brother is saying direct action. So please give me your logic. Any other brother, Shabab?
Go to the heat exchanger.
No, this is not our logic. Yeah, Shabab. Any other brother want to give the logic? You want to get the first?
Yes, teacher, it is direct, I think. Because
give me your logic.
Teacher, when the heat is decreased, we need to increase the signal from the controller. We need to increase it.
What is our first step? Tell me some PV, some SP. Please tell me some PV, some SP.
PV will be 55.
55% and SP?
SP will be, for example, 75.
75%. Okay. Right now, here we have signal more than needed or less than needed here?
Less than, teacher, less than.
Less than needed. Very good. Okay. We want 75% and right now it is 55%. So we want to bring more steam, right? That's above?
Right.
Right now it is 75%. Our set point is 75%. We have 55%. So we need to bring more steam. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Shabab with me? Okay. Yeah, now a lot of brothers they are typing yes. So this is normally open valve. So if we remove the signal, it will get open automatically. So we need to reduce the signal or increase the signal.
Increase the signal.
Reduce.
Increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Lot of brothers they are typing decrease. So we need to decrease the signal. So both arrowheads are down. So it means it is direct action. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is our system, and we're gonna apply see here, Shabab. This is we are applying here. This is our set point. This is our set point. This line, the red line, is the set point. This is time, and we are applying here. This is PV. Like this. This graph is for PV. And we need to draw the output. We need to draw the output here. This is our output M of the controller. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So just for the ease, to make it easy, I am putting here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are some numbers, right? And if we take the action direct, for the direct action, what is error? For the direct action, Shabab, what is error?
PV minus SP.
For the direct action, error is PV minus SP. And for the reverse action, what is error?
SP minus PV.
SP minus PV for reverse action. Right, Shabab? Okay. What is the output of the controller in on-off control?
M. M. To say.
M is equal to maximum if error is positive. Right, Shabab? And M is equal to minimum if error is negative. Shabab with me? Okay. Now come here, Shabab. We are assuming the action is direct. So how many possibilities for the output? Two possibilities are there. One is maximum and one is minimum. Right? See, if error is positive, maximum, error is negative, minimum. And just to make it easy, we bring these lines down also. Wherever it is cutting the waveform, here, here, same here, same here, same here, same here. Yes, Shabab. Between A to B, error is positive or negative. We are saying this is direct action. For direct action mean PV minus SP. So PV minus SP is positive or negative?
What again?
PV minus SP is positive or negative? Lot of brothers, they are writing positive. So see, this black line is PV and this is SP. So PV minus SP will be positive.
Positive.
Right? So the output will be maximum. Like this. Right, Shabab? Now from B to C, error is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So the output will be minimum. Like this. From C to D, error is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So output will be maximum. Again here output is minimum. Here maximum. Here minimum. Maximum. Like this. So depending upon the control of action, output is like this. Okay, Shabab, if it is a reverse system, if the controller action is reverse, then what would be? No, it is for reverse action.
We're starting with negative in SP.
So again, Two possibilities are there for the output. One is maximum, one is minimum. Okay, Shabab. Now, if the system is reverse, now error is positive or negative. SP minus PV. Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So output would be minimum. Here error is positive or negative? From B to C. Positive. So output will be maximum. Same here. Same here. Same here. Same here. So what is the conclusion? In the direct action, wherever it is maximum, in the reverse action it is minimum. Wherever it is minimum, here it is maximum. So it is directly opposite to each other. The output in the direct action and the output in the reverse action, they are opposite to each other. So are with me? Yes, brothers. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So that's good. So any question up to here, Shabab? Now, what this thing mean? What does it mean? Everybody has air condition, right? So if the set point is 25 degrees centigrade, what is the set point, Shabab? 25 degrees centigrade, right? And it increases to 25.1 degrees centigrade. What will happen if it is direct? The compressor will on, right, Shabab?
Yes.
And if it is 24.1 degrees centigrade, what will happen?
The output will be minimum. Close to minimum.
The output will be minimum. The compressor is off, right, Shabab?
Yes.
With me? So in 1 minute, how many times the compressor will be on and off? How many times?
Four times on and 3 times
Lot
off.
of times. Lot of times. In 1 minute, in 1 second, it will go to 25.1 degrees centigrade. So increase the compressor will on. Then same minute, as soon as the compressor will get on, it will go to 24.1 degrees centigrade and compressor get off. So in 1 second, in 1 minute, how many times the compressor will get on and off? Lot of times. Not 3, maybe 30 times, you know. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So maybe 30 times, 20 times it is going on and off. Right, Shabab? Lot of times.
Teacher.
Shabab with me? So,
Teacher.
is it? Yes.
The compressor will be on the max and minimum, or anytime the PV is
When the output, imagine when the output is maximum, compressor is getting on, right? So when it will be off when the output is minimum, right?
yes.
So if the temperature is increasing by 0.1 degree centigrade, it will get on. When temperature is decreasing by 0.1 degree centigrade, say 24.9, for example, it will get off, right? So there is a difference. So let me write it more clear. The set point is 25 degrees centigrade. Set point. So if the P increases by 25.1 degree centigrade, compressor should get on according to this relation. And if PV is coming down 24.9 degree centigrade, the compressor should get off. Right, Shabab?
Right.
In 1 minute, how many times it will get on and off? Because in 1 minute it will fluctuate, it will go up and down so many times. So is it good practice? How long the compressor will work like this?
So this teacher in
A
1
long
second.
time.
Maybe it's gonna fail after 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. It's gonna get fail. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. how it will work? Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with
Yes.
you.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. Now, is it really working like this at our home, in our classroom? Is it working like this? How does it work?
No, teacher.
No, a lot
No.
of brothers they say no, it is not working like that. So how it is working? How it is working, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, how it is working? It is working like this. The compressor will not get on at 25.1 degrees centigrade. It will go up. It will get on at, you can say, for example, 27 degrees centigrade. 27 degrees centigrade, it will get on. And it will not get off at 24.9 degrees centigrade. It will go down, right? And it will get on off, for example, 23 degrees centigrade. Right, Shabab? So instead of getting on at 25.1 degrees centigrade, it will get on at 27 degrees centigrade. And instead of getting off at 24.9 degrees centigrade, it will get off at 23 degrees centigrade. Shabab with me? So this thing we say set point high, and this thing we say set point low. And this overall, what we say, dead band. We say dead band. So what is dead band, Shabab? Set point high minus set point low. So what is that here? 27 minus 23. So 4 degrees centigrade is the dead band. Normally it works like this. Now how we now show it here in the graph? So imagine in the graph, this is our 25 degrees centigrade, Shabab, this thing. This line we make 27 degrees centigrade, and this line we make 23 degrees centigrade. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Now, before it was getting on here, now it will get on here. At this point, it will get on, right? And before it was getting off here, now it will get off here. It will not get off here anymore. It will get off here. Again, it will go like this, and it will get on here. And again, when it is coming back, it will not get off here. It will get off here. Same, it will get on here, and it will get off here, this point. So what is happening? Now it will take more time to get on, and it will take more time to get off. So there is a safety now. No, it will not go like on, off, on, off, on, off. It will get on here, then it will wait. It will come back here. When the temperature decreases from this point, then it will get on here again. So it is getting on here and then getting off here. When the temperature is going less than 23 degrees centigrade, it is not working. It will start compressor at 27 degrees centigrade. The status compressor start here, then increase the temperature, right, Shabab? Again, it will come back, start decreasing the temperature, decrease the temperature, decrease the temperature. Logically, as soon as it goes less than the set point, 25 degrees centigrade, it should get off here, but it will not. It will come down and get off here. Again, it is off here, it will start from here. Logically, it should start, compressor should start from here, but it will not start from here. It will start from here, come back, come back, come back, come back. It will stop again here. So now the safety margin, the life of the compressor will increase. Now what will be the effect on output? If we draw a line here, from here we draw a line, then from here we draw a line, then from here we draw a line, draw a line from here, draw the line from here, draw the line from here, same way, draw the line from here. So what happens overall? It is just shift. Before it was here, now it is here. From this line to this line. Same this one, before it was here, now it is from this line to this line. Same before it was here, the red one, now it is shifted from here to here. It is shifted like this. Same here, it is shifted like this. Same here, it is shifted like this. Same here, it is shifted like this, and so on. So overall output is just shifted, no other effect. But the life of the compressor will increase. Shabab with me?
Teacher,
Yes.
what is the difference between proportional band and dead band?
Proportional band, still we are not there. Dead band is this one. This is the dead band. You have set point 25 degrees centigrade. Logically, the compressor should get on as soon as it becomes 25 degrees centigrade. But no, you say you get on at 27 degrees centigrade. Logically, when the temperature is decreasing, it should get off as soon as the temperature becomes 24.9 degrees centigrade. Right? 1 degree decreases. But we say no, you don't get off here. You get off here when it is 23 degrees centigrade. So between 27 and 23, you will not see any output. The compressor is on, it will keep on until it reaches 23 degrees centigrade. If it is off, it will keep off until it is reaching 27 degrees centigrade. So this set point high, we say, and if you have seen the remote control, you know the remote control for the air condition, it is written there, set point high, set point low. So set point high minus set point low is the dead band, when there is no output. Inshallah, after this we are going to discuss the proportional band also. So that is different. This dead band is different. Please ask me any question if you have here. Yeah, Shabab. Lot of brothers are writing no question, but some brother question, please ask.
What's the difference between the shift and real?
Sorry?
The shift of maximum and minimum.
Shift in the output. So we are just saying the output is not actually affecting. Just the on and off of the compressor is affecting. So now the compressor will not go on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off in 1 second, maybe 30 times. No, it will take longer time to get on and it will take longer time to get off. So we are increasing the life of the compressor and we are using on-off controller. As long as output concerned, it just gets shift. There is no change in the output. It is just getting shift. Output of the controller.
Okay, fine.
Yes, brother. Any other brother question? Please ask. Okay, Shabab. Now this is our on-off control, and what is our objective from industry? What is our objective from industrial control? What is our objective in our life? Yeah, Shabab. What is our objective? What we want? We want to bring
Control.
PV as much nearer as possible to set point, right? Yeah, a lot of brothers they're saying yes. Shabab with me? Okay. Now there are two scenarios here. This on-off control has two scenarios. One scenario was that the set point was 25 degrees centigrade, and as soon as it become 25.1 degrees centigrade, the compressor gets on. As soon as it becomes 24.9 degrees centigrade, it got off. Right, Shabab? This was one scenario. And the other scenario is what? Other scenario is this one. We keep the set point 25 degrees centigrade, and now it will get on at 27 degrees centigrade, and it will get off at 23 degrees centigrade. These both scenarios can bring PV near to set point? Yes, Shabab. Can it keep PV near to set point? These both scenarios?
Yes.
No.
How? Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. No, they cannot. If you take this scenario, 25 degree, as soon as it goes to 0.1, increase, compressor on. As soon as it is decreasing 0.1, compressor off. How long the compressor will work? 1 day, 2 day, how long? Yes, on, off, compressor on, off, compressor on,
Short
off,
life.
compressor on, off. How long it will work?
Short life.
Sorry?
Short life span of
So
compressor.
it's gonna get break. It's gonna get break the compressor. The compressor is broken maybe after 1 day, maybe maximum 2-3 days. It will broke, right? Damage. Lot of brothers say damage. Yes, you are right, brother. Brother Hadi, you are right. If we take this scenario, so it will get on at 27 degrees centigrade, and it will get off at 23 degrees centigrade. It's gonna keep the PV near to set points above. Is it possible?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Is it possible to keep the PV near to set point here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Not possible. See, your set point is 25 degrees centigrade. This is your set point. Lot of brothers they are writing no. This is your set point. This is your PV. So it will on the compressor when it will reach to 27 degrees centigrade. It will off the compressor, it's gonna reach 23 degrees centigrade. So how it will bring PV near to set point and keep there? How it will keep PV near to set point? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Lot of brothers they are writing not possible. It is not possible to bring the PV near to set point and keep it. Okay. Shabab, who your card on off? You have to turn the car. Is it on off? Is it on off controller? Shabab, driving of the car is on off controller, either maximum or minimum. Is it like that? Because the on off controller output is either maximum or minimum. Is it like this? No. Brother Sharif, other brothers, they are writing no, it is not like that. So it means we need this on off controller cannot bring PV near to set point and keep it. Yeah, sometimes it can bring, but it cannot keep it there. We need PV very near to set point as much as possible. So it means this on off controller get fail. It is not working anymore. We need some controller that continuously keep the eye on error, continuously to watch the error and give the output. We need what, Shabab? We need some controller that continuously. Shabab, please give me 1 minute. Yes, I am in the class. Yes, sir. I am in the class. Okay. 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 So it is like 1 day course, like what? Okay, no problem. But what is the duration? Which days? Okay, no problem. Okay, inshallah, inshallah. Okay, yeah. Sorry, brothers, there was a urgent call. So we are saying on-off controller cannot bring the PV near to set point and keep it there because we need to keep the PV process variable as much nearer as possible to the set point. So we need a controller that is continuously watching the error and continuously changing the output. So for the continuous thing, from there we get the concept of the proportional control action. Proportional control action. So what happens, Shabab, in proportional control action? Output of the controller is directly proportional to error. Output of the controller is directly proportional to error. So what does it mean, Shabab? Directly proportional mean what?
Opposite, I guess.
Yeah, Shabab. Proportional mean what? Directly proportional or proportional. What does it mean? Yeah, Shabab.
When output
What does it mean? Directly proportional.
increases, when it increases, the other one increases also.
When M increase,
If error
the error increase proportionally.
Proportional, very good, very good. Error is increasing, the output will increase proportionally. If error is decreasing, output will decrease proportionally. So whenever there is a proportionality, there is a constant. That's what we say here, Kc. Shabab with me? Kc. So what is Kc, Shabab?
Controller
Kc?
gain. Controller gain.
Controller gain, very good. Controller gain. Very good, Shabab. Okay, Shabab. Now, this, according to this formula, the proportional control action, M is equal to KCE. KC is the controller gain, E is the error, and error is equal to what, Shabab? Error is PV minus SP for direct action and SP minus PV for reverse action. Right, Shabab? Okay, now what this formula is saying? What it is saying? It is telling us today one brother, he started from home and I will drive my car at 20 km per hour. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? Shabab with me? A lot of brothers right?
Yes, yes.
That's good, that's good. So as his PV, his process variable reaches at 120 km per hour. What is the error, Shabab? What is the error now?
0.
0. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. So output of the controller should be 0 according to this formula. Put the error 0, Kc, output will be 0. In reality, is it like that? As soon as our speed reaches 120 km per hour, we remove our foot from the accelerator, Shabab? Is it like this? No. Lot of brothers they are writing no. So still we keep pushing the accelerator. Another example. For example, our set point is 25 degrees centigrade in this room. And as soon as the PV reaches 25 degrees centigrade, error is 0, so output should be 0. Is it possible to keep the temperature 25 degrees centigrade and the output of the controller is 0? So no cold air is coming. Is it possible to keep the temperature 25 degrees centigrade, Shabab? No. Lot of brothers they are writing no, it is not possible. So it means this formula is not complete. This formula is missing something. Right, Shabab? This formula is missing something. So that's what it is missing. It is missing. This formula is working whenever the error is not 0. But as soon as the error is 0, this formula is not working. So we need to correct this formula. So how to correct it? So whenever error is 0, we will put a factor there. That's what we say, manual reset. MR, manual reset. What is manual reset, Shabab? Somebody gonna tell us? Yes, brothers. Manual reset. Yes, brother, manual reset.
It's same as output, I guess. When
The
Yes.
controller output.
input, not output.
It is
What is manual
same.
reset, Shabab?
I think it is same as the set point, but it is work the carry set point.
Yes, Shabab, everybody knows the rooftop tank.
Is it the initial
Shabab,
value
you guys
of
know
the
the rooftop
output?
tank, right?
Initial value of
Everybody
output?
knows the rooftop tank, Shabab. There is a tank at the rooftop, right? And it has water. Everybody knows that, right? Yes, Shabab. Everybody
Yes.
knows the rooftop tank. Yes, lot of brothers are writing yes. Okay, now imagine there is a situation, the water is still there, but when you open the tap in the kitchen, in the bathroom, you open the tap, water is not coming. Have you guys faced this situation?
Yes, teacher.
Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So why the water is not coming? Still the water is in the tank. All the pipes are good. Everything is good. But when you open the tap in the kitchen, in the bathroom, water is not coming. So why it is like that? Yes, Shabab. Any brother?
The air, teacher.
No
Lot of
pressure.
brothers, they are writing the pressure. Yes. Pressure means what? The pressure above the tank and pressure below the tank is equal. Pressure above the water and pressure below the water, they are equal. So it is not moving. Another example, for example, we drink the Pepsi, right, Shabab? We put the straw in the Pepsi. Pepsi is not coming. Why it is not coming? Why the Pepsi is not coming, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. Same reason. There is no pressure difference. The pressure, a lot of brothers they are writing, pressure above the straw and below the straw, we take the Pepsi, we put a straw in it. If the pressure above the straw and below the straw are equal, Pepsi will not come. So what we do? We do this thing. So what we create a difference in the pressure. So same for the rooftop tank. If the pressure above the water and below the water is same, the water will not flow. It will stuck. So what we do? We go upstairs and manually we reset it. We reset it with our hand. So we change the PV of the water. That will change the pressure. We stir. Lot of brothers they are writing. So it will change the pressure above and down. So difference of the pressure will be created. Then it will start flowing. So this term MR came from their manual reset. So what we will do, we will add M is equal to KCE plus MR. So if we know even error is 0, for example, error is 0, so output is equal to MR. So now this formula is completed. Now even error is 0 here. See, even the error is 0. Even then we have some output, maybe 10%, 20% to make it working. So even the error is 0 here. Even the error is 0, output will not be 0. So you need to push the accelerator to maintain the 120 km per hour. Here same, even the temperature error is 0, but again you need to bring some cold air to maintain the temperature at 25 degrees centigrade. And if it is like cold weather, maybe you need to bring some hot air to maintain the temperature 25 degrees centigrade. Yes, brothers, any question up to here? Please ask. Some brother has any question? Please ask. A lot of brother, they are writing no. Still, if some brother has any question, please ask, Shabab. Please ask if you have any question, please.
Teacher,
Yeah, Shabab.
if KA equal, for example, 4, and E,
Sorry?
if gain equal 4, gain equal 4, also error equal 2,
Gain equal?
4,
Okay,
4.
then
will error 3, and error 3, teacher.
still we are not solving the problem. We will solve the problem soon, don't worry. We're going to solve a lot of problems. They are coming. So right now, out of this, if you have any question, please ask.
No, thank you.
If you want to solve the problem, we have a lot of problems, inshallah. We're going to solve them.
No, teacher.
If some brother has a question here, please ask. Okay, that's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing up to here, no question. So as soon as we start the problem, then you ask your problem, no problem. We'll inshallah solve it. No, Shabab. You can see here, this is our equation, complete equation for the proportional action. M is equal to KCE plus MR, right? So KC is the controller gain, M is the output of the controller, that is electrical signal. KC is controller gain, that is also gain is controller is 99.99%. Electronic controllers are there. Error is also electrical signal. MR is also output of the controller when error is 0. So whole this output of the controller is the electrical signal. 99.99%. Electronic controllers are there. Maybe very few pneumatic controllers are there if you work on some special type of plants. Otherwise, always you're gonna see the electronic controller. Now this electronic signal will be applied to some mechanical device, final control element. Final control element is what, Shiva? Some mechanical device like valves. It can be a valve, it can be a pump, it can be a lot of other things, but definitely it is a mechanical device. Right, Shiva? Definitely it is a mechanical device. Okay, now this electrical signal will really work on this mechanical device? Is it really making this device,
teacher.
mechanical device, working?
No, teacher. Need a converter.
We don't know. We don't know. We don't know. Yeah, we need converter, that's fine. But even with the converter, is it working? Can we know it is working? We can put the converter, no problem. Here we can put a converter, I2P converter. Even then, this signal will make it work. Somebody can tell us, is there any relation between this electrical signal and the implementation here? This is electrical signal here, electrical signal. This is electrical signal, and this is mechanical implementation. So this signal will make it work. Is there any relation? Somebody can give guarantee, yes, it will working, it will be working, it will work very good, or it will not work very good. How do we know that? What are the mechanical limits? Mechanical limits are there. What are the mechanical limits? We don't know. The valve, for example, if it is valve, the valve is smaller or very big, we don't know. So how we will see the relation between this electrical signal and this mechanical implementation? How we will see that? How we will know that? That there is really this electrical signal can work mechanically. There are a lot of examples in our daily life. You know, for example, if we are going by car, simple, you can say Toyota Corolla car, for example, 120 km/h, and you apply the brake, right, Shabab? Its working is different. But when you are driving a bus at 120 km/h, you apply the brake. Its working is different. Both have entirely different working. So is it really, this electrical signal is really working on this mechanical implementation? Funnel control element can be valve, can be pump, lot of other things. So is there any relation between them? Yes, there is a relation between them. That's what we say proportional band. That's what we say, Shabab, proportional band. Proportional band. PB. What do we say, Shabab? PB. Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brother, they are writing yes. That's good. That's good. So how we say it? PB into KC is equal to 100. Always. PB is what, Shabab? Mechanical implementation, proportional band, PB. Mechanical implementation. What is KC? Controller gain. Electrical signal. Right, Shabab? Now if PB is 1, KC is 100. PB is 2, KC 50. PB is 3, KC is 33.33. PB is 4, KC 25, and so on. 10, 10. Can we put any proportional band? Whatever we like? Or it depends upon the size of the body. It depends upon the size of the valve. It depends upon the size of the pump. Right, Shabab? Can we put any controller gain? Or again, it depends. Lot of factors. Again, same example. Always keep the example of bus and car. Same speed, you apply the brake. The response is different. Car is very small, bus is very big. So the response is not same. Same here. So let's start define the proportional band and see what happens. Because still we have not defined the proportional band. What is proportional band? How we define it? We don't know. So let us define it and then we can judge what will happen. Brother with me? Shubha with me? That's good.
Yes, teacher.
Brother, they are talking. So let us define the proportional band. Right, Shubha? Yes. This is proportional band and here the output of the controller. M. So the proportional band is going, the output of controller, we all know, it can go from where to where, Shubha? Output of the controller from 0 to 100. Right, Shubha? Or 100 to 0. Or fully open to fully closed, or fully closed to fully open. Shubha with me? Complete one swing. Shubha with me? Brothers, yes. Lot of brothers know typing yes. So please answer me, please. Otherwise, it is not like talking. So please reply. Proportional band goes from, it is not actually starting from 0, but we can say mathematically 0 to 100. Right, Shabab? If we take the proportional band 100, this is the straight line, Shabab. I am trying my best to draw the straight line. This is the straight line. So this is the process 1, and this is the of the movement the final controller. If we make the proportional band 80, for process 2, so where the valve will move faster, Shabab, P1 or P2, where it will move faster? Very good, very good. Lot of brothers they are typing P2. Very good. So P2 will move faster. So which process is more stable, P1 or P2? Which one is more stable, Shabab? P1. Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing P1. So by decreasing the proportional band, we make the process more unstable. By decreasing the proportional band, we make the process more unstable. Now imagine 50%. Proportional band is 50%. P3. Now who is the fastest moving valve, Shabab? P1, P2, P3. Which one is the fastest moving? P3. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing P3. So it means that P3 is the highly or comparably more unstable. P1 is the most stable. P2 is in the middle. So as we decrease the proportional band, we are making the system more unstable. So now can we make it whatever we want? And you guys already have observed in the experiment for the proportional band 100, it is oscillating a small oscillation. For proportional band 50, it starts big oscillation, and proportional band 10, highly unstable, uncontrollable, and proportional band 1, it is something already has been broken. So as we are decreasing the proportional band, the system is becoming more and more unstable. Yeah, but again, we have limit. For example, we buy a car, right? We buy a car for what? To drive it, right? So where is the car most stable? To put in the garage. In the garage, it is most stable. So we buy the car to put in the garage? No. Okay. Now we run it. So we are running 40 km per hour. We buy the car to run at 40 km per hour. Shabab, did we buy the car to run 40 km per hour? Shabab with me? No. Lot of brothers are typing no. That's good. So we did not buy the car to run 40 km per hour. Yeah, we will run it at 120 km per hour. That is comparably highly unstable. As compared to 40 km per hour, 120 km per hour, it is more unstable. But again, according to the law, according to the road situation, everything, we can control it still. At 120 km per hour, it is unstable, but we can control it. But if we go more than that, then it is uncontrollable. Same here, we will decrease the proportional band. We will maybe decrease 50 or maybe more, but the loop should be controllable. So yeah, it is unstable. It keep at 100, but at 100, there's error. Maybe there is an offset error, as we already have observed in the lab. We already know from the lab at PV 100, there is an offset error. So PV cannot be equal to set point. So we start decreasing the proportional band. So as soon as we decrease the proportional band, again, it is making the loop unstable relatively, but it will bring PV near to set point faster. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Oh, that's good. Lot of brothers they are writing with you. So any questions Shabab up to here? Please ask if you have any question, please. Yes, Shabab, please ask if you have any questions.
Teacher.
So now we are solving the problem. Yes, please.
Teacher, what is the difference between the control gain and the proportional band?
Controller gain is gain in the controller. That is coming, this you are saying PB. PB is the proportional band. That's what we define here. This is a proportional band, mechanical limits. And KC is the gain of the controller. That is electrical gain, because the controller is 99.99% electrical, right? So that is coming from the controller. PB, proportional band, it is mechanical limits. How much you can go decrease, how much you can increase. This is with the final control element. That is mechanical thing. KC is electronic thing. 99 because the 99.99% controllers are electrical. Even imagine you have pneumatic controller. Even then, it is KC is there. So then it will be pneumatic and mechanical relation. So this formula actually PB into KC, it is telling a relation between electrical signal and mechanical implementation. Yes, Shabab.
Thank you, teacher.
You got the answer, brother?
Yeah, yes, good.
Any other brother, Shabab? Please ask. Okay, Shabab. Please read the first problem, page 20. Yes, brother. Who will read? Page 20, first problem, 3.1. Somebody has book, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, please read, please.
Proportional controller has a gain of 2. What is the
Proportional controller has gain of 2, Shabab. Very good. KC2.
Yes, what is the proportional band?
So what is proportional band, Shabab? Proportional band is equal to 100 over KC. So what is KC? 2. So it is 50% is the proportional band. Yes, brother, please read part B.
An air tank is controlled as follows. PSI equal percent 0% and PSI 15 equal 100%.
So 3 psi of 3 psi is equal to 100% and
15 with 100, teacher.
3 psi 0% and 15 psi 100%. 15 psi 100%. This is the calibration. Yes, brother.
FPV is equal 7 psi.
Right now, the PV, the process variable is 7 psi. Yes.
Process is receive and set point equal 50%.
The control action is reverse, and the set point
Reverse.
set point is 50%. Yes, brother.
Then output of the controller equal M.
We need to find and we need to draw it. So we will find the output and also we will draw it. You are with me? Brothers with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers they are typing yes. That's good. So what is the output? Output is equal to KCE plus MR. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good.
Yes,
Lot of brothers they are typing yes. So here KC is what? How much is KC?
Is 2.
That's good. That's good. Lot of 2. How much is error? 50 minus 7. And luckily MR is not given, so we will not take the MR. We say it is 0. Is it correct, Shabab?
You need to convert the 50%.
Not correct. Why is not correct?
You need to convert.
Okay.
Percentage.
He's saying change PSI to percentage. He's saying the PV. So convert 7 PSI into percentage. Why not we convert 50% into PSI? Why not?
Because we want error percentage. Error
Why
percentage.
we need error percentage? Why don't we just convert this PSI 50% into PSI? Why not?
Can't do this, teacher. We cannot do this. We cannot do this, teacher, because there's
Why not?
different
That's my
unit.
point.
Differences unit. I can't equal this. I can make equation of the differences unit. So I have to transform the units BSI to percent.
See, Shabab, this formula is working in just in percentage. Right, Shabab? Here, error should be in percentage. MR should be in percentage. Output is also in percentage. This formula is just for percentage. If you want to convert into PSI, you can convert it. If you want to convert it into milliampere, you can convert it. But how many units you will convert? So my suggestion, always keep like this, everything in percentage. So this is the reason we need to convert the 7 PSI into percentage. So to get the error in percentage. Okay, Shabab, how we bring the 7 PSI in percentage? What is the procedure? Yeah, Shabab, we have 7 PSI, we need the percentage. How we convert it? Yes, brother. Very good.
Teacher.
Very good. Two-line
Teacher.
method. Two-line.
Teacher.
All-time famous two-line method. So
Teacher.
it is 3. Yes. Yes, please.
I have issue in internet, and every 10 minutes maybe internet kick me out and come back.
No problem. No problem.
No problem, because attendance, teacher.
Once somebody is here, his attendance is there. Don't worry, inshallah.
Okay, okay, teacher. But
The
there is
system is taking
several
the
time
attendance automatically.
kick me out and come back, teacher.
So
That's why
maybe this is internet problem, but don't worry. The attendance is taken by the system automatically. You get my point?
I got you.
So this is 3 to 15 PSI, Shabab, and 0 to 100%. Okay, Shabab, how much PSI we have? 6.8, right? How many PSI we have? 7 PSI. 7 PSI, and we need to find the percentage. So how much percentage, Shabab? No, everybody is expert for this. How much percentage? Yes, Shabab, how much percentage? Very good, 33.34. 33.34%. So what is the error, Shabab? Error is how much? The action is reverse. Action is what, Shabab? Reverse. So SP minus PV. SP is how much, Shabab? How much is SP? 50. And PV 33.34. So how much error? How much error, Shabab? Yes, brother. Lot of brother, that's good. That's good. Lot of brother, they are writing 16.66%. This is the error, 16.66%. So we put in the this output formula here. So output is equal to Kc. How much Kc, Shabab? Kc was how much? 2. Very good. Lot of brother, they are writing 2. Error 16.66. MR is not given, we take it 0. So how much is the output? 33.34%. Very good. Very good. Lot of brother, they answer very good. Okay, draw it. Get the draw it. Draw the output. Get the first. This output we need to draw. Get the first. This is time. This is output. Also draw the error. Also draw the output. Get the first, Shabab. So this is percentage. Yeah, Shabab. Somebody wanna get the first? Somebody's trying, Shabab? Yes, okay, I'm waiting. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. I'm waiting, Shabab. Please try. Yes, brother. How much is the error? 16.66. So this is the error, 16.66%. Okay, Shabab, tell me which line is correct. Blue one is correct, red one is correct, or black one is correct. Which one is correct? Which line is correct? Yeah, Shabab, blue one is correct, red one is correct, black one is correct. Which one is correct?
Black, teacher, because it's reverse. For the
error. Wait, this is error. Error, Shabab. Error. Error. Which one is correct? Just 2-3 brothers they are saying blue. All other brothers they are saying black. This is not good, Shabab. See, error is just without T. There is no T here. It is constant. With the time it is not changing. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It is not changing. There is no T here. So it has to have blue, constant. It is constant line. Both other lines they were changing with time. In the revision day, we already discussed this thing. So the blue line is the constant line that is not changing with the time. This is error. Okay, Shabab. Output is what? 33.34%. Right, Shabab? So this is correct line for the output, or this one is correct line. Red one. Which one is the correct line? 33.34%. 33.34%. Which one is the correct line, Shabab? Blue or red or black? Which one?
Black.
Why black?
Because 33 is bigger than 16.
That's good, very good. So logically 16 cannot be above, 33 cannot be below. So black one is the correct line, and we are saying it is output. Right, Shabab? So again, with the output there is no T. Time is not involved. It is constant forever. 33.34%. So we have a straight constant line. Shabab with me?
This is with you.
Okay, Shabab. Now with this output, if the valve is normally open and normally closed, how much open? This is the output, 3.3%. Output is how much, Shabab? This is the output, 33.34%. This is the output. How much valve is open? If it is normally open and if it is normally closed, how much it is open? Yes, Shabab, how are we going to find it? A lot of brothers, they are writing the answer. Again, maybe your answer is correct, but in the exam you need to give the logic. Just answer, you cannot get the marks. Even your logic is wrong, give the logic. Your logic may be wrong, but you will get some marks. But you just give the answer, maybe your answer is correct. Without logic, there is no marks for that. Shabab with me? So please need to give the logic. So what is the logic? You remember these 3 lines. Everybody remember them, right? Right, Shabab? Remember these ones? Output goes from where to where? 0 to 100, Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Lot of brothers typing yes. That's good. That's good. So normally open wall, normally closed wall. Okay, Shabab. Normally open wall. How much open here? With no signal. How much open? 100% open. Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing 100% open. How much open here? 0% open. And we don't need the close because the question is just open. See, the question is just open. So we don't need the close. Normally close valve. How much open here? Okay, sir, normally close. How much close here? 100% closed. How much closed here? 0% closed. But we need open. So how much open here? 100% closed. How much open? 0%. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0% open. And here 100% open. Now what is the output, Shiva? What is the output? 33.34%. Output is 33.34%. So it should be where? It should be here. This is correct place? Is this correct place, Shiva? No. Lot of brothers are telling no. Very good. Very good. This is not correct place. It should be other way around. It should be somewhere here. 33.34% should be somewhere here. Right, Shabab? So how much open? If it is normally open, how much open, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. If it is normally open, how much open? Very good. 77 point. Not 77, Shabab.
66, teacher.
66. Yes, 66.
Teacher, point 76.
Huh?
Sixty 66.66.
Sorry?
It's equal 66.66. 0.66.
66.66.
Yes.
Okay. Any other brother, Shabab? Any other brother wanna correct us? Yes, please. Is it correct now, Shabab? See, this is some brother are writing 33.34% open. We are talking about normally open wall, Shabab. It is open here 100%. See, this is 100% here. Here it is 0%. So signal is 33%. This is 33. So from if you go by this side, it is 66.66% open. For normally open wall. Shabab with me? Still somebody is not clear, some brother is not clear, please ask. A lot of brothers they are writing clear. Okay, now come here. How much closed? This is again we need open. Normally closed. How much open? So how much open here, Shabab?
33.34.
Yes, how much open?
33.34.
Very good. 33.34% open. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers they are typing the same number. Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here?
I have a question.
Yes,
Teacher.
please.
The
Yes, please.
proportional band does it affect the valve opening also or no?
So in the starting, we find the proportional band. The gain was 2. Proportional band was what?
50%.
50. You remember?
Yes.
In this problem, from where we start? We start with the gain 2. Remember?
Yes, yes.
Okay, the proportional band 50. If we make the proportional band 25, how much will be the gain?
Again,
Gain will be 4
And will
times.
be 4.
4. So if the gain is 4, this output will be what? Double. Right?
Yes.
This output, if the gain, before the gain was KCE, before the gain was 2. Now you make the gain how much? 4. The output will be what? Double of this.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Clear.
You got my point?
I get it.
That's good. Alhamdulillah. Okay, Shabab. Please read the second problem.
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
how many normal rows, teacher, in last question?
Seat still here. This without no signal, 100% closed. That's why we say nominal closed. So signal is here, 33.34. So how much closed? How much open? 0% open from this side. Because we are interested in open. See here the question. We are interested in what? How much? Open. Right? So you tell me how much open?
3.34.
Yes, you are correct. Now you please read the second question, please.
A proportional controller has a proportional band of 80. What is the proportional gain?
Yes, how much is the gain? 100 over 80, how much? Yes, brother, how much? 1.25. Lot of brother tapping. Very good. Yes, brother, please continue.
A level tank is calibrated as follows.
This is the level tank. Level tank is calibrated as follows. Yes, brother.
3 mm equals 0% millimeter.
30 mm. Mm is what?
0%.
What is mm? Mm mean what? Millimeter.
Yeah,
Yes.
and 130 millimeter 100%.
130 millimeter is equal to
100%.
100%. Very good. Yes.
If process variable PV equal 65%,
65%. Very good.
and set
Set
point
point.
equal to 80 millimeter.
80 millimeter. Very good.
A manual reset is 25%. Then
Manual reset is 25%.
What's the output? M.
And manual
M, yeah.
manual reset is 15%. And we need to find the output of controller and yes, Shabab. So we are saying we have given the gain, we have given the PV, SP, and we have been given 2 MRs. Right, Shabab? So what is we need to find? We need to find the output and we need to draw it. Yes, Shabab. What should be our first step? How we should start it?
Convert 18 LSB to burst.
Yes, brother. Very good. So this brother is telling us convert the 80 millimeter into percentage because we need the error. This formula we have M is equal to Kc E plus MR. Here error should be in percentage. So you convert this one in percentage. Very good. Okay, how we convert in percentage, Shabab? How we
By
convert it into
two-line method.
percentage?
By two-line method.
By two-line method. So always we draw the two lines, right? The two lines are there, and it is going from 30 millimeter to 100, 30 millimeter, 0 to 100%. And how much we have? 80 millimeter, and we need to find this one, X. So how much X, Shabab? X is how much? Very good, 50%. Auto brother, they are typing 50%. This is our X. Right, Shabab? So this is our X. That's what is. It is set point or PV? What is it? Set point. Lot of brothers they are writing set point. Very good. Okay, how much is PV? PV is how much, Shabab? 65%. Lot of brothers they are writing 65%. That's good. So how much error? What is our error, Shabab? How much is the error? Somebody is writing 25, somebody is writing 15. How do you know that? How do you know it is 15? Yes, Shabab. How do you know it is 15?
Teacher.
Yes.
Minus 15 because teacher set point minus PV. In reverse.
How do you know that? How do you know
Reverse,
that it is
teacher.
reverse? Where it is written, it is reverse. Who told you it is reverse? Somebody is writing here SP minus PV. Why, Shabab? Why? Why SP? Why not PV minus SP? Who told you it is reverse? Is it written in the question? It is reverse? Yes, Shabab. Is it written there? It is reverse? Not written. So if it is not written, how you can say it is reverse? Maybe it is direct. So
We do
until
both.
unless we do both, if it is not written or there is no way to find out it. In some questions, maybe you see there are some ways to find out it is direct or reverse. If there is no way to find out, it is not given, we have to do the both. So we will do both. Right, Shabab? So here direct action, here reverse action. Direct controller action, reverse controller action. Right, Shabab? Okay, for direct, what is the error? What is error for direct, Shabab? PV minus SP.
15.
How much PV? PV is 65 minus 50. How much? 15%. What is error for the reverse? What is error for the reverse, Shabab?
SP minus BV.
Lot of brothers are saying minus 15.
equals
Yes.
minus
SP
15.
minus PV. Very good. So 50 minus 65. How much, Shabab? Minus 15. That's Shabab? Yes, brother. Is it okay up to here? Lot of brothers are typing yes. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now, how many MR we have? How many MR we have, Shabab? How many MR? 2. So again, we need to divide into 2. Here MR 25%. Here MR 50%. Here MR 25%. Here MR 50%. Right, Shabab? So output is equal to what? KCE plus MR. How much KC, Shabab? How much KC?
1.25.
1.25, very good. 1.25. What is error? How much is the error? 15. Very good. Lot of brothers 15. MR 25. How much above? 43.75. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. 43.75%. Very good, Shabab. Okay. Same here. M is equal to how much KC? KC how much above? 1.25. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. MashaAllah. How much error? 15. How much MR? 50. Altogether how much above? 68.75. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. 68.75%. Very good, Shabab. Okay, Shabab. Come here. Output is equal to KC. How much KC? 1.25. What is error, Shabab? What is error? Very good. Minus 15 plus MR 25. How much, Shabab? How much? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 6.25%. Very good, Shabab. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Come here. M is equal to KC 1.25. Error minus 15. MR 50. How much, Shabab? Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 31.25%. So we have 4 outputs. So just for our ease, we give them some name. We say this is M1, M2, M3, M4. And now we need to draw them. Right, Shabab? We need to draw them. So please draw, show me, get the first. Whoever draw them, show me, get the first, Shabab. Draw them, show me, get the first, Shabab. Somebody is trying, Shabab?
Teacher,
That's good. If you're trying, that's good. Yes, brother. Somebody trying? Okay, let me give a solution and you guys judge, is it correct or not?
I did.
You did? Okay, please show me, please.
Okay.
So where is, brother, where is this one? 68.75. You are putting it under 25.
I put
68 one you are putting under 25. We need to fix it. See,
Okay,
this is 25 is 68 is below, 25 is above. Please
Oh.
check it.
Okay, what's 67? Oh, it's 68.
This brother is very good. You did very
I
good.
finished,
But a
teacher.
little mistake is there. No problem. We will check the mistake.
Okay.
Please show me. Yes, brother, please show. Brother, please. There is an urgent call. Thank you very much, brother. Sorry, there was like urgent call, from the chairman. Yes. Yes, brother. Somebody wanna show?
I finished, teacher.
Yeah, please show. Please show us. Please. Are you showing, brother? Make it more clear. Make it more closer, brother. Make it near to camera, please. Make it more near to camera. Yeah, that's good. Tell me your ID. What is your ID? Tell me your ID, brother. Please tell me your ID.
391-902-158. Hussein.
391. Yes.
902-158.
391
902-158.
902-158. Okay, that's good. That's good, mashallah. I get it. I get it. Okay, see other brothers. See here. This is our percentage axis. This is our time axis. So luckily, our outputs are constant. There is no T. So, like one of our brother, they drew them like this. He made the 4 straight lines, 4 constant lines, and they are coming like this: 43.75, here 68.75, here 6.25, and here 31.25. And this is M1, M2, M3, M4. Is it correct like this, Shabab? Is it correct like this? No, not at all. Not at all. This is against the number line. You remember the number line. 0 in the middle, 1, 2, 3 this side, 4, 5, 6 this side. So this is not correct at all. The smallest, I am not saying you draw it according to scale, but it should be drawn according to logic. The smallest one is 6.25%, right? Then the bigger one, 31.25%. Then the bigger one, 43.75%. And then the bigger one, 68.75%. Now, this is not M1, this is not M2, this is not M3, this is not M4. We need to change them. So, 6.25 is what? M3. 31.25 is what? M4. 43.75 is what? M1. And 68.75 is what? M2. So, this one is the proper way. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question? That's good. A lot of brothers, they are saying no. That's good. That's very good. So, brother, please read the next question. Question number 3. Yes, brother, who is reading question 3? Please read. Yes, brother, please read question 3. Yes, Shabab, please read.
teacher, which page?
Who's reading?
Which page, teacher?
Page 22, question 3.3. Yes, Shabab, please read.
Can I read, teacher?
Can I read?
Yeah, please you read.
In a temperature control application, the range from controller
Yes.
output is 4 to 20 milliampere.
That's good. Very good.
The professional broadband is 20.
Very good. Professional band is 20%. Yes.
And the difference between set point and the measured value is 8%.
So what is this? The difference between set point and measured value is what, Shabab?
Is 8, teacher.
Error, teacher.
Error. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing error. So error is 8%. It is given. Yes.
What will be the value
Yes,
of
brother.
controller output
We
in
need controller
milliampere?
output in milliampere, PSI. Yes.
Is equal to 40.
C0 is equal to 40. C0 mean initial condition.
Yes.
That is MR. MR is equal to 40%. Right, Shabab? This is part A. Okay, Shabab. Output of the controller is what? KCE plus MR. What is KCE here? What is the KCE here, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, what is KCE? KCE is what? From proportional band to any, how much KCE? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 5. Very good. Very good. 5 is the KC. How much error? Error is how much, Shabab? Very good. 8 it is given. This is given here. See, given. How much MR? 40. What is the answer? What is the answer, Shabab? 80%. Lot of brothers, they are writing 80%. Very good. So output of the controller is 80%. Very good, Shabab. Very nice. Very good. Yes, brother, please read the part B.
How much value will be open? It valve is
No.
normally open or
Not this part B. The other part of this question. We need to find milliampere and PSI. Right, Shabab? For this output, we need to find milliampere and PSI. So how are we going to find them? How we find them?
Two-line method.
Two-line method. Very good. Same old way. We have 2 lines. We draw the 2 lines. Right, Shabab? So 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 PSI, and output is 0 to 100%. So we have 80% here, find X, find Y. So you will get the milliampere and PSI both. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here? Please ask. Yes, please.
Teacher, now this 100, now the proportional band multiply the gain equal 100. This 100 is
Yes.
constant. It will not change.
Yes, it is constant. 100 constant.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. This 100 constant. This is always. Let me write it again. Kc into Pb is equal to 100. This is always constant. Theoretically. Yes, brother, now you read the part B, please. Yes, brother, please read the part B.
How much valve will be open if valve is normally open or normally closed?
So we are interested in how much it is open. If the valve is normally open and normally closed. So same again, we have this diagram with us. Again, we can guess orally, we can think in our brain here, but again, we need to give the logic. Without logic, no marks. So output goes from 0 to 100%. And it is normally open, normally closed. If it is normally open, Shabab, here how much open? Here how much open?
100%.
That's good. That's good. 100% open. Lot of brothers they are writing here 0% open. We are not interested in close. Normally close. How much? 100% closed here. And here 0% closed. So how much open? Because we are interested in open. 0% open. And here 100% open. So how much is our signal? What is our signal? How much is our signal, Shabab? 80%. So 80% should be where? This side? Should be this side 80%?
No,
Yes,
no.
Shabab. It should be this side? No. Very good. This side. This side is the 80%. So, how much open, Shabab? How much open here? If it is normally open, how much open? If it is
20%.
normally open, how much open? 20%. Very good. If it is normally closed, how much open?
80%.
80%. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing the same answer. Very good. Yes, brothers. Any question up to here? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing the answer. Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Please ask. Yes, Shiva, please ask.
Teacher, can you
Yes.
can you buckle for the previous previous number 8?
This one?
Yes, teacher. How you find,
Yes,
teacher?
please.
How you find the process again? Okay, teacher. How you
This is it. Proportional band is how much? How much is the proportional band?
20.
20.
20.
100 over 20, how much?
5.
That's it.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question, please ask.
Also, teacher, milliampere, teacher, because I have bad connection. I can't hear you very well, teacher.
See here, 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 psi. Find XY. You
Just
know how
two
to find it?
2 meters, 2 line.
Sorry?
You use
Yeah, two-line method. Yes,
No, I
yes.
understand. Thank you. teacher.
That's good. That's good. Any other brother has any questions, Shabab? Please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask any question, please. Some brother has question, Shabab? Nobody has any question? Lot of brothers they are typing no. Okay, no problem. That's good. Alhamdulillah, if, everything is fine. That is good. So, inshallah, today we are stopping here, right? And inshallah, coming week we will start from here. I am saying again, if some brother has any problem out of the class, any brother can ask anything. If you guys wanna have some, you know, you need to understand some problem, you can ask out of the class anything. You can ask. You can ask me in the lab or whenever you want. Yes.
I have a question
Yes, please.
in the practical.
Sorry. Yes.
The practical class. So there is in the lab manual there is a question. Did not give me every information I need. Did not give me MR. So I couldn't calculate. Lab manual.
See,
okay.
For the lab question, whenever you have, please ask me in the lab. No problem. You know, and even out of the lab, you can ask. No, if you see me sitting in my office, you can ask. No problem.
The report is due on the day of the lab. I need to finish it before class.
When is your day?
Sunday.
Okay.